Hi, my name is Balwinder and I am a head of training at NZISD. We are one of the first institute in New Zealand that providing 100% hands-on trainings in mobile phone, laptops, MacBooks and digital marketing core. At NZISD, we take care of your skills. There are heaps of students, they have a theoretical knowledge but they don't have the practical knowledge. Every employees are looking for the practical knowledge. So at NZISD, we will provide you 100% practical skills. We taught around 200 students in last 6 months and they are very happy with our courses. If you are looking for the courses, practical courses in digital marketing, mobile phones, in ITs, we are here for your help. We have a fully equipped lab where students can sit and do their extra practice. If you are still thinking which course is good for you, call us today and meet with us. We will put you on a right track. We will help you to find out a course and we will customize a course according to your requirements. Furthermore, we have a flexible timings. If that time suits to you, just let us know. We'll make a batch for you. The most classes will be a one-of-one trainings. In that way, we will put your focus, we will put our focus on you and prepare you for the job. Stay with me and see next what our students saying about our NZISD training courses.
The place where I work, my colleagues recommended me to join NZISD because they suggested it's a really good course with 100% hands-on training.
Hi, my name is Naimel. I joined NZISD for mobile phone and MacBook repair course.
मैं ਜਦੋਂ NZISD ਆਇਆ मैं basic electronics ਸਿੱਖੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪਾਰਟਸ ਰੀਪਲੇਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਡੀਸੋਲਡਰਿੰਗ ਸਿੱਖੀ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਲਿਕੁਇਡ ਡੈਮੇਜ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਫਿਕਸ ਕਰੀਦਾ ਉਹ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਤੇ ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਉਹ ਇਹ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬੁਕਿਸ਼ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਦੀ ਬਜਾਏ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲਾਈਵ ਜੌਬਸ ਤੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਗੇਨ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈਲਪਫੁਲ ਹੈ.
It was a wonderful experience for me. During my time here, I learned how to replace the components of a mobile phone and I learned how to do a liquid damage treatment on the mobile phones. I also learned how to analyze the schematics for a motherboard and do troubleshooting on it. It was a wonderful experience. During my time here, I had a lot of practical examples which helped me to learn and understand things better. A lot in this 2 weeks, from the very basics of replacing components and to do soldering and desoldering of logic board components. It was a 100% practical based course. The content of the course was very structured and it was very easy for me to understand. As a beginner, it was very helpful because I had a lot of practical examples to work on.
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਦਾਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ ਨਿਊਜ਼ੀਲੈਂਡ 'ਚ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੀਵੀਅਸਲੀ IT ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਰੈਲੇਵੈਂਸ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਇੰਟਰਸਟ ਹੈਗਾ ਇਹ ਫੀਲਡ 'ਚ ਐਂਟਰ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟੀਕਲ ਸਕਿੱਲਸ ਗੇਨ ਕਰਨ ਸਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆ ਕੇ ਲਾਈਵ ਜੌਬਸ ਤੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਨ ਤੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਵਧਣ.
Balwinder was a very resourceful person. He gave me a lot of examples to make me understand things in a good way. Thanks to NZISD, I'm very confident now to handle any live job and I recommend NZISD to anyone like me who is trying to understand the repairs for mobile phones and laptops. Thanks to NZISD.
Thanks to NZISD.